Good day, everyone. Today I will answer the three questions that we are given a task to my instructor. The first question is, what is marine environment? Marine environment are those in the world seas and oceans belonging high tide mark. Marine environments relate to the morphology near shore, offshore, and deep water zones of the oceans. So the second question is, what are the major sources of marine pollution and its impact, hazards to humans, animals, and shipping industry? So there are three main types of inputs of pollutions into the oceans. So the first input and pollution in the oceans is the direct discharge of the waste into the oceans. Second is the runoff of the waters, runoff into the waters due to the rain. And the third is the pollutants released from the atmosphere. So, what are the harmful effects of marine pollution and hazards to humans, animals, and shipping industry? There are five there are five harmful effects of marine pollution and hazards to humans and animals and shipping industry, which is the first harmful is reduction of oxygen level in the water. Second is affects the oceanic food chain. The third is the upset the coral reef cycle. Fourth is affects the reproductive system of water animals. And lastly, harmful effects of toxin of marine life. So the third question, what explain Marpol Convention history when it was entered into force? And its objective including all the regulation of Marpol Annex 1 to 6. Mar- Marpol is the main international convention covering prevention of pollution of the marine environment by ships. From operational accidentally causes to the Marpol Convention was adopted on November 2, 1973 at IMO. The Protocol of 1978 was adopted in response to a spate of tanker accidents in 1976-1977. As the 1973, the Marpol Convention had not yet entered into force. The 1978 Marpol was protocol absorbed the parent convention. The combined instrument entered into the force on October 2, 1983. In 1997, a protocol was adopted to amend the convention and Annex 6 was added which entered into force on May 19, 2005. MARPOL has been updated by amendments through the years. The convention includes the regulation aims of preventing and minimizing pollution from ships, both accidental pollution and that from routine operations, and currently includes six technical annexes. Special areas with strict controls on the operational discharges are included in the most annexes. So here we are, the first the all annexes. So the first annexes, which is the Annex 1, Prevention of Pollution by Oil and Oily Water, entered into force October 2, 1983. Second annex is the Annex 2, Bulk of Pollution by Noxious Liquid Substances in a Bulk, entered into force October 2, 1983. The third annex is the Annex 3, Prevention of Pollution by Harmful Substances Carried by Sea in Package Form, entered into force July 1, 1992. The fourth annex is the Annex 4, Pollution by Sewage from the Ships, entered into force September 27, 2003. The fifth annex is the Annex 5, Pollution by Garbage from Ships, entered into force on December 31, 1988. And lastly of all the annexes is the Annex 6, Prevention of the Air Pollution from the Ships, May 19, 2005. So, that's all. Thank you.